Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall start the topic of the chapter Advanced Spreadsheet, Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced, and topic of this chapter is using what if scenarios. But first of all, I will explain the meaning of scenario first. A scenario is what if analysis tools that allows us to substitute set of values automatically in a worksheet. एक वर्कशीट में अगर मैंने कोई वैल्यूज़ एंटर करवाई है तो उसकी जगह अगर मैं कोई और वैल्यूज़ को एंटर करवाना चाहती हूँ, दैट विल बी द रोल ऑफ सिनेरियो. एंड इफ़ आई वांट टू ऐड सम सिनेरियोज, आई वांट टू क्रिएट सम सिनेरियो इन एक्सेल शीट. For that I have to follow some steps in that case. And in this sheet we are having the two scenarios for buying 50 and for buying 75. First of all, I have to click on data tab for creating a scenario. Under data tab I have to click on the what if analysis and I have to click on scenario manager. And in this worksheet, in this page, I am having the scenario manager dialog box. I have to click on add button, and after clicking on add, I will give the values for scenario. I will give the name of scenario, and after that I will give the changing cells. The range of the cells I want to give is B1 to B2, and after that I will put some comment for the scenario 50, and I have to click on OK button. And after that I will be able to see the result of the scenario. If I want to add one more scenario, for that I can find out first the value of B1 and B2 is 50 and 30, and I have to click on OK button because I am having the same value in my worksheet. If I want to add a scenario, I have to click on add, and I will start giving the name of that scenario. That is, second scenario is buying 75, and I can give the cell range, that is again the same B1 to B2. And if I want to add some comment for the second scenario, I will give the comment for that. After that I will click on the OK button, and range for B1 is in place of 50 I will mention 75, and in place of B2 I will mention 25. And after that I will click on the show button, and it will start this time buying 75 is selected, so it will start showing me the result of scenario for buying 75, that is 1500 in that is 1875 in place of 1500 for first scenario. So this was the exactly working of scenario, that it will substitute the value of 1500 in 1875. And as well we are having the way to delete, edit, merge and summarize our scenario. With this our topic is completely done, and you have to do the practice of this topic in Excel sheet, and I will explain the next topic to you in the Zoom class as well. Have a nice day.